Trying to come up with gift ideas for Christmas, and this morning we're sharing holiday gift ideas that fit into the ever-growing STEM categories: science, technology, engineering, and math. And we have a guest joining us this morning, Clark Nesselroot, parenting lifestyle consultant at devoteddaddy.com. And Clark, thank you for joining us this morning. Can you hear me okay?
I can hear you great. Good morning.
So I would hesitate to tell a child that you're going to be learning something by playing with this toy, but certainly a clever gift idea. Can you walk us through what we're looking at here?
Yeah, absolutely. And the thing is, they don't have to know they're learning while they're playing. Play is the best way to learn. And I think a lot of parents get hung up on, is this actually going to teach them how to code? Is this actually going to teach them chemistry? Don't worry about that. If it teaches them to be curious, if it teaches them a little bit of scientific process through discovery, that's all you have to worry about.
But it is fun at the same time.
Oh, it's so much fun for kids and parents. It's so much fun that my kids stole the first product I'm going to be speaking about today, so I don't have it here with me. I think you've got a photo of my first animal trained by SmartMax, which you can get at Target.com. And I love these little animal characters that are magnetized. So as kids are playing with this cute animal set, enjoying the animals, loving the classic play of a train, the magnets are actually pretty powerful on this thing, and they're going to learn about resistance and attraction and all those great things that come through magnetic play.
Yeah, and I imagine you have different toys and different learning for kids of different ages, right?
Oh, yeah, absolutely. That one is for your young guys,
sure.
As young as 1. You can get them going there. This one is for your kids 3 and up. This is the fun, glow-in-the-dark fun forts at poweryourfun.com. I love this product because every kid loves to build forts.
Oh, yeah.
You can avoid having your whole living room rearranged. These sticks and ball sockets come together. Not only going to teach them engineering, balance, things like that, but it's glow in the dark. And anything glow in the dark for kids these days really sparks that imaginative curiosity of how does that work.
Well, that's pretty cool. It shows the framework, and I guess you could always put a sheet over it, and then you've got a...
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
And they can test how strong it needs to be to hold the sheet up and sort of make sure their structure was sound.
I like that.
This is the 3-in-1 mega robot from iPlayILearn at iPlayILearnToys.com. I have to steal this one back from my kids constantly. It is big, it is bulky, it is substantial. This uses included wrenches, screwdrivers, handles, bolts, nuts, screws. You can build a semi-truck, you can build a robot, you can build a workbench out of this. So the play never stops at iPlayILearn.com.
Well, it looks like basically a toolbox there, and then inside the toolbox are the different ingredients where you can build the robot and other items.
There's so many tools and pieces of equipment in here, and you nailed it. Parents love it because it has its own storage device, which is part of the play and helps keep it all together and keep it clean in the playroom, which is a big plus for me.
That's a really clever idea.
This is the Virta Play Marble Run by Orabel. Go to loveorabel.com for kids 5+. This is amazing. These silicone pads have a sticky back that won't damage your walls. So you can literally put this on any wall in your house, move it around. These pieces individually move. You can put them wherever you want. Kids can experiment, and let's see if I've got it right. Uh-oh. I think my own design wasn't that great.
All right, we're watching this display.
You can get the marble to run all the way down and land in your landing pad here.
How neat is that?
This one, I'm going to have to ask for parents' forgiveness in advance. We all know our kids, for whatever reason, are somewhat obsessed with their own bodily functions. So what better way to keep them engaged in science than the Build Your Own Art Machine from eBlocks. Go to myeblocks.com. I know it's a little crass, but you know what? The key to STEM learning is whatever will keep them engaged.
Yeah.
And the payoff of this sort of gag gift, when you get all the circuits lined up just right, is a big payoff for kids.
I'm actually kind of interested in that one.
Well, I'll have to send one your way. It would be my pleasure to do so. Now, listen, I'm glad this one is last because it's a big risk to try to do this here on live TV.
Yeah.
This is the Force One LED hand drone from USA Toys. Go to usatoys.com. Nothing captures the imagination for kids like flight. And just watch, hopefully, how easy this is. Let's see. Oh, I got to turn it on first. Let me flip her on here.
Helps.
That does help. A little bit of parent user error. Let's see.
Get your kids to show you how to turn that on. There we go.
Let's see. All right, watch this.
Oh, wow. How do you control it?
It's flown to the roof. It's doing flips. It's doing somersaults.
You're
Super
just a
fun
big
for
kid
kids to
like me,
learn
aren't
about
you?
flight.
Yeah.
Could really make for a magical Christmas morning.
All right. Well, thank you for all those gift ideas. And where can we go for more information about all this?
Everything is at my blog, devotedlydaddy.com.
Devotedlydaddy.com. Well, thank you very much for all the ideas.
Have a great day and happy holidays.
Okay. Merry Christmas to you. All right. Well